Hi everyone, today we're taking a look at the 2024 Toyota Crown. Now the Crown name has a long history with Toyota that dates back to 1955. However, here in the US, we've only had this version of the Crown since 2022. So let's hop in and take a closer look. The Toyota Crown is a 5-passenger sedan available in 3 grades known as XLE, Limited, and Platinum. And new for 2025 will be a Nightshade Edition. As you come around to the front of this vehicle, you're going to see how wide this car actually is. It's got a lower portion of the front bumper, has a diamond pattern on it with the grille just above and LED lights flanking the center. You'll see that this model is equipped with that two-tone paint that gives kind of a black top portion and red on the side. That's available in a few different colors. You'll also see that it has an elevated stance with a very strong presence. Part of that elevated stance is thanks to these large wheels. This one has 21-inch wheels, which are the largest ever seen on a Toyota sedan. It also comes with 19-inch wheels on the lower grade models. You'll notice the Crown has kind of a sloping roofline that appears like a fastback, but it's actually a standard trunk in the back, not a full tailgate. As you come around back, you'll see Crown spelled across the center, along with LED light treatments and some attention to detail here in the center. And then you've got reverse lights down on the bottom. Pop in the trunk of the Crown, you're going to find 15.2 cubic feet of space in that cargo area, which is smaller than many other sedans, but still pretty decent. As you can see, we've got our folding baseball chairs in there, and there's still plenty of room. The rear seats do fold 60-40, but it's not a full flat fold there, and those are released through trunk buttons right here. Under the hood of the Crown is your choice of either the Hybrid Max or the standard Toyota hybrid system. Hybrid Max combines a 2.4-liter turbo hybrid with a rear E-axle for a combined 340 horsepower and 400 pound-feet of torque. It mates with a direct shift 6-speed automatic transmission. It's refined and comfortable on the road. When pushed, it gets going quickly, especially when in Sport Plus mode, which will get it from 0 to 60 in about 5.1 seconds. All-wheel drive is standard, as is Toyota Safety Sense 3.0. It'll get an estimated 30 miles per gallon combined and nearly 400 miles of driving range. Its suspension consists of a McPherson strut in the front and a multi-link rear suspension in back. An adaptive variable suspension is standard on the Platinum model to give it the smoothest ride possible. Steering is both responsive and balanced. Overall, this is a very easy and comfortable riding vehicle. Hopping inside, you'll see that the Crown has a very traditional setup. Behind the steering wheel is a 12.3-inch digital touchscreen that can be customized to your personal preferences as far as what you see. Immediately to the right of that is a 12.3-inch digital infotainment touchscreen that works with controls such as voice controls or touch controls. It integrates wirelessly with both Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and they've even put a volume knob right in the center. Looking at the rest of the dash layout, you've got controls for your climate right here below. You've got this really nice tray to put your phone in for wireless charging. It sits in there nice and snug, won't roll around. There's also options to change your view to see the video from the back. It's got a 360-degree view, which is nice and clear. You've got a traditional setup here with your cup holders and your gear shifter. I'm not a huge fan of this gear shifter because it kind of just tips forward and back. For some reason, it just doesn't feel right to me personally. You've got your drive modes here to change, as well as your parking brake and hold buttons here. And you've got a center console here that flips open on either side for easy access and extra storage. It comes standard with 8-way power adjusted seats, heated front seats, and dual climate zone. As you move up the grades to vehicles like this Platinum model, you'll get premium leather, ventilated front seats, and more. The seats are very comfortable, and there's a decent amount of room in this car. You can fit 3 adults in the back if you want, although headroom does get a little bit tight because of the sloped roofline. You get a full panoramic glass roof up top. It does not open, so it is fixed. I would love to see something like this where you can get a little fresh air. But overall, a nice, comfortable riding vehicle. The seats offer good support and plenty of room for your shoulders and feet. That's a wrap for my quick look at the 2024 Toyota Crown Platinum. For the full review, you can visit drivechicago.com or subscribe below for even more automotive content. And give us a follow on our other social channels, X, Facebook, and Instagram. I'm Jim O'Brill with Drive Chicago. Thanks for watching.